How does the deliberation process work in the legal system? In the world of law, the deliberation process is gaining attention as trials unfold across the nation. Many people are curious about how juries and judges come to their decisions. Just yesterday, a high-profile case highlighted the importance of understanding this critical phase. If you are wondering how a verdict is reached after all the evidence and arguments are presented, you are in the right place. The deliberation process begins with closing arguments. Both sides summarize their cases, emphasizing key evidence and legal standards. This is the moment attorneys make their final appeals to the jury. After these arguments, the judge provides instructions on the relevant law. This guidance is essential for the jury to understand how to evaluate the evidence they have heard. Once the instructions are given, the jury retires to a private room. Here, they discuss and review everything presented during the trial. This includes testimonies, exhibits, and the legal framework provided by the judge. The length of this deliberation can vary significantly. It may take just a few hours or extend over several days, depending on how complex the case is. The jury's goal is to reach a decision, which may require a unanimous or majority vote, depending on the jurisdiction. Once they agree on a verdict, they return to the courtroom to announce their decision. This moment is often filled with tension as everyone awaits the outcome. If the jury finds in favor of the plaintiff, the court will enter a judgment. This judgment typically orders the defendant to pay damages. Following the verdict, legal teams often assist with post-judgment procedures to ensure the awarded compensation is received. In some situations, a judge may conduct the deliberation instead of a jury. This is common in non-jury trials. The judge will review the evidence and legal arguments before making a decision. Regardless of whether it is a jury or a judge, the goal remains the same: to reach a fair and just verdict based on the evidence presented in court. Understanding the deliberation process is essential for anyone interested in the legal system. It reveals how justice is served and the careful consideration that goes into each verdict. As trials continue to capture public attention, knowing how deliberation works can provide clarity on a vital aspect of our legal system.